very excited to have the new space because not only will we be able to offer more programs, so families who need services will be able to just come here and access everything they need, and it's more of a warm handoff when they can see the person they're going to meet with and just be a little more comfortable meeting with them. So I'm most excited for the program space in the kitchen because up until now we haven't been able to host programs on site, and we know transportation is a barrier for many of our families, so to be able to offer programming on site is very exciting. And so we've already started chatting with some churches who want to run programs here and different organizations who want to run programs here, so just to see the space used, and then also collaborating with other organizations to use our kitchen and different workforce development opportunities. Continue to offer all of the basic services that we do, the food bank being a large part of it, but also heating assistance, rent, utility assistance, continuing to partner with New Hope for clothing assistance. It's been great working with Paul Risk Construction. Could not be happier. They were very easy to work with, wonderful communication, good staff, respectful. Really could not be more pleased. We met every other week, but they always stayed on top of things. Yeah, just really could not be more pleased and more happy with the people and the job and the product, and coming in under time and under budget was just a bonus.